This is your weekly update for the greater Portland, Maine real estate market. These are closed sales in the last 7 days, median numbers. Days on market were flat, 38 days on market. The list to sale ratio still a little bit below 100% at 99%. Your average close price came up to $537,000. Your average 30-year fixed interest rate, 6.09%, and U.S. inflation at 2.4%. Three things I want to talk about today are the completely confused job market, U.S. inflation, and then lastly, that seasonal winter market. So the job market right now is wild. You have the BLS job report that came out that said 130,000 jobs were created in January, but you juxtapose that to ADP, which is private payroll jobs, and you're looking at like 18 to 20,000 jobs created. So one is saying a super soft job market. The other one is saying an okay job market. Important thing to remember, though, is that the BLS the last year from January adjusted down and adjusted down and adjusted down again until it actually had negative growth in the same time period last year. So it might be an aspirational number that'll end up adjusted down. U.S. inflation, so came in at 2.4%. That is way lower than expected. It's interesting news in terms of the Fed and what they're going to want to do with the rates in the next couple of months. It's good news, but it's also juxtaposed to GDP growing and credit card use growing. So we'll have to see if that maintains and what happens with some other numbers. And then finally, we got the winter season in full swing here. Inventory was up 41% nationally, not in the state of Maine, but you're starting to see that winter inventory sit. Buyers are definitely a little bit further out in the market right now, but I think with the lowest rates we've had in years, when the spring market arrives, it's going to be a really great spring market. Overall, though, right now, there's just so many factors that kind of have push and pulls to them that are inconsistent. And then you have a new Fed chair likely coming in. So the spring is going to be interesting. I hope this stuff was helpful to you. If you have any questions, give me a call anytime.